Good morning, 2-3. Welcome to writing. So we are moving right along with our expository essay. We are on the third part, which we are going to be starting body paragraph 2 today. Before we do that, I just want to start off by saying that already this week I've seen a huge improvement in your writing from last week's essay to this week's essay. I'm really proud of you guys for the improvement that I've seen, for how hard you're working. You're using your sentence starters, you're using the models, you're watching the videos, and I see that you're really trying to show me off those skills for third grade. And I couldn't be more happier or prouder right now, especially with this virtual learning of how well you're doing. So I just want to make that clear. I'm really proud so far of these essays. So let's start off with our instructions for today. Again, do not submit your essay until Friday as a reminder. And you are going to watch this video first on body paragraph 2. I will put how many minutes it is. Remember that I'm leaving all the videos below from the introduction, from body paragraph 1, just in case some people are behind. That way that everything's there. So make sure that you're clicking on the right video today for where you are, which should be for body paragraph 2. If you need to, again, listen to the read aloud, that's also there for 2 minutes. As always, when we're doing this, we reread the prompt to get our mind focused on our answers and our question that we need to answer. And then I just left here that the introduction was due Monday, body paragraph 1 was due yesterday, and then today you are working on body paragraph 2. And as always, check over your typing for capitals, periods, spacing, and spelling. And now let's get into it. So just like yesterday when I told you that there was this for body paragraph 1, here you have I wrote a for body paragraph 2. So we're going to get to that in a minute, okay? Let's just start off by reviewing our prompt. In the passage, the author discusses the importance of rainforests. Write an essay describing 2 ways rainforests are important to people. And of course, be sure to include details from the passage. So we know that in our body paragraph 1, you focused on one way rainforests were important to people, okay? Now in body paragraph 2, you're going to focus on the second way rainforests are important to people. So you're going to come down to body paragraph 2, and you're going to go where it says type here as always. You're going to erase that, and then you're going to start your sentence starter. Secondly, rainforests are important to people, and then you're going to tell me how, okay? Remember, should this be the same answer as what you wrote in body paragraph 1? Kiss your brains because you're so smart. It should not be the same answer. You should not be saying the same thing you said in body paragraph 1 for body paragraph 2. You are now giving me another way rainforests are important to people. Oh, where should I look for that? Where should I go to look for the answer as to how rainforests are important to people? I'm going to come all the way back to my text. I'm going to look where Mrs. Del Valle wrote body paragraph 2, and I'm going to know that it's somewhere here. The answer is somewhere here. It's telling you how the rainforests are important to people. In this section now, you're going to find your answer, okay? So this is where you should be looking. This is where you're going to find your answer. This is where you're going to find your textual evidence for body paragraph 2, okay? So I gave you that to help you. So now I'm going to come back down here. Again, you're going to do secondly. You're going to restate and give me your answer. Secondly, rainforests are important to people by, you're going to fill it in. Then the text states, you're going to go where it says type here. You're going to delete that, write the text states. And again, remember, textual evidence, you are copying word for word. You are allowed to copy from the text, word for word. So you're choosing the best sentence that supports the answer you wrote here. So whatever answer you chose, you're choosing the evidence that supports it. So again, if I'm going to be choosing, for example, this sentence, lemon trees grow in tropical rain forests. I'm not just going to write the text states lemon trees grow, and that's it. That's not copying the textual evidence correctly. I am copying the entire sentence. In the text states lemon trees grow in tropical rain forests. I'm copying the entire sentence. So you're not choosing this sentence as your textual evidence because it's not the best one, but my point is you have to copy word for word, okay? Once you have your textual evidence, you are then going to come to your last part for your body paragraph 2, which is this proves, which is your explain. Remember that your explain is in your words. So you're explaining. So you're going to delete here where it says type here. You're going to rewrite this proves, and then you're going to use your words to explain to me your textual evidence here. Remember that this entire paragraph is focusing on basically what you're telling me about the rainforest being important to people, how they're important to people. That's what this focus is. So this answer connects to your textual evidence, and your textual evidence connects to your explain, okay? Again, the this proves is in your words, your words. Yes, you could obviously use keywords from the text to help you, but it should not be copied from the text for the this proves, okay? So that is what you're doing today. You are completing body paragraph 2. As always, please remember that check for any comments that were left for you in body paragraph 1, or if you did not check your introduction, please just double check that as well. But we leave comments for you, so I want you to make sure that you're looking at those comments before starting your next assignment. And as always, if you need anything, you need feedback, you need help, please reach out. That's what we're here for, and let us know. Keep up the great work, 2-3.